welcome back to my channel. So I've done a Scentbird boxing before. It was like the Scentbird skincare, and then I said I was done with the Scentbird. But after that, I did put in one more order of the Scentbird, and you know that Scentbird, they also have like scents that you can get every month, but then they also have like makeup on their site, and they have a skincare. I have not used their makeup on their site. I have not ordered their makeup on their site because I'm not familiar with the brands. But their skincare is really good. So I put in an order where you get the 3 products a month, and then I went in and I canceled it. So these are I'm going to show you guys the 3 products that I got. They're all from the brand Kopari. And so I got the Coconut Rose Toner, which I think is going to be in our boxy in the month of next month, like November. So I was between this and the coconut face melt for the skin. I love this. Their packaging is great. This is like, feels like real silicone. Like their packaging, this packaging is amazing. But I didn't get the coconut face melt because I got the Pharmacy, because I got this one from the Ipsy, and this stuff is amazing. I'm gonna have to sit down and film a video of me taking off my makeup with it. Like, it's like the freaking bomb. It like melts off your makeup. So that's why I didn't get the oil, because I have an oil, but I don't really, the oil that I have is good, but it ain't got nothing on that Pharmacy. And I just didn't want to do another oil. So I got the coconut Kopari Rose Toner, and then I also pick up the Kopari coconut melt. And at first I thought this was like a makeup melt like the Pharmacy was, but I've come to realize that it's not the Pharmacy melt. So this melts, it says, it's just like you put in coconut, like you use coconut butter or like a coconut something, it's like a body oil. It smells delicious. I got a sample size from Sephora, which is what made me want this one, because the sample size I got from Sephora smelled so good. But it's not to like melt off your makeup, but I guess you could use it to melt off your makeup, but it's not gonna work as great as that Pharmacy one. But it's just, you just use it, it's just you use it for your body. You can rub it for your body from head to toe. And you can use this in your hair. It's I think this is like pure organic coconut, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to just tell you guys that. I know it says no GMA, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. I could have sworn that, like, I read somewhere that it was like just like pure coconut or something. But it smells great. Like the one I had from Sephora, I can't really smell this one because it has the top on. But the sample size I got from Sephora, God, I love coconut. It just smells amazing. And then I also picked up the Kopari coconut face cream. It says it's a luxe lightweight lotion to help fight visible wrinkles and delivers essential hydration. Apply to freshly cleanse and tone face. So this is like a facial moisturizer. I don't know if it's a heavy or a light one. Depends on how heavy or how light it is. I might use it as a nighttime. If it's pretty heavy, I use it as a nighttime. I might end up using this as a nighttime because I think once I run out of my It's Confidence in a Cream, I don't have another a nighttime one that I would use. So this one says it helps with wrinkles. If it helps with wrinkles, then I would probably use it at nighttime. But we'll see how light it is. If it's light, then you could probably use it under your makeup. I like to use, some people like to use, it just depends on your skin. Because if you're really dry, some people like a heavier moisturizer under their makeup because they feel like the skin is like just sucked out of dryness. But sometimes I have like combination skin and I definitely get oily like right here. So I really don't like a really heavy moisturizer under my foundation. But I like a good, moisturizer. I don't like it to be like a heavy cream moisturizer, but I like it to be like a good moisturizer under my foundation. So anyways, that's it. I just thought I'd just sit down and just film this for you guys. It wasn't something that I was planning on filming because I was like, you know, it's another Scentbird. I told you guys I wasn't going to put in another purchase, but I went ahead and put another purchase. So I decided just to do this quick video, show you guys what I got. All right, bye.